The $199 Aura system detects motion using nothing but Wi-Fi radio waves, and possibly sorcery. We saw a bunch of nifty new home monitoring solutions unveiled last week at CES 2018, but there was nothing quite as cool as the Aura starter kit you can already get right now on Amazon. This system uses next-generation technology to watch for motion in your home. But unlike traditional motion detectors that actually do watch using cameras or infrared light, Aura uses nothing but Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi waves in your home create certain patterns as they bounce around, and those patterns change when people move around. Aura can read those changes and trigger alerts or smart home actions based on that motion. Here's some important info from the product page. Aura Starter Kit $199 available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. Buy now available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. The starter kit includes 2 beacons that cover 700 square feet, but you can get additional beacons here. Aura accessory beacon for starter kit $99 available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. Buy now available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. Follow @BGRdeals on Twitter to keep up with the latest and greatest deals we find around the web. BGR Deals content is independent of editorial and advertising, and BGR may receive a commission on purchase.